अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम एक माउथ वाटरिंग चिकन शोरबा का रेसिपी बनाने जा रहे हैं। Warm your soul with this rich aromatic chicken shorba. It's a perfect comfort dish packed with spices, flavor and love. So चलो शुरू करते हैं। To a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. When the oil becomes hot, add 1 large onion chopped and fry till golden brown. Once the onions are golden brown, add a tablespoon of garlic paste and a tablespoon of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Now add half a kg of chicken, cleaned, washed and drained. Saute well on medium flame till the chicken changes color. Once the chicken is nicely done, add 4 potatoes, each cut into 4. Mix well. Also add 2 to 3 medium-sized tomatoes, chopped finely. Now whenever we add new ingredients to the pan or kadai, it cools down a bit. So keep the flame on high for a minute and then reduce to medium since we don't want the masala to burn. Add around 1.5 teaspoons of salt and continue sauteing till the tomatoes become soft. It's almost 5 minutes now. Let's add half a cup of beaten curd and mix very well. Now it's time to add the spice powders. Add 2 teaspoons chili powder or less or more spice according to your preference. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and mix well. Also add 1 inch of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 to 3 cardamoms, 8 to 10 peppercorns, half a teaspoon of zira powder and mix well. Keep the flame still on medium and cook till the fat breaks to the top. Cover and cook, okay? I have not added any water yet. After around 10 minutes, let's check the chicken. See, the fat has broken to the top. Now add 3 whole green chilies. Add a glass of water and cook till the chicken and potatoes are done. Keep the flame on high till first boil and then on medium till desired consistency is reached. Garnish with coriander leaves. Chicken shorba is now ready. So please do try it out. Goes very well with rice, ghee rice, the regular rice as well. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients and method as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.